Welcome! In front of me I have Maimo watch DC-AE, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. So let's wake up the screen, press and hold on the screen, and after a couple of seconds the menu will open, and here we have the list of watch faces we can select from. Find the watch face you like, tap on it to select it, and it will be applied. You can also change the watch face through the settings. So if you wake up the screen, then press the crown button again to open the menu, scroll down, find the option called the settings and tap on it. In settings, tap on watch faces, it will open the watch face menu. You can scroll through the list, find the watch face you like, and tap on it to select it and apply it. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can always use the Maimo Fit application to change the watch face. So let's bring the phone that is paired with our watch, zoom out the camera. Okay. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Maimo Fit application. In the app, we can tap on the device icon. And here under your watch, under Maimo Watch DC-AE, you will see watch face category. You can tap on it. It will open the watch face menu. And here we have the local. Basically, the watch face is installed on our watch, and you can tap on one, tap on apply, and it will be applied. But you can also install additional ones. So you can tap on online. It will open the store of watch faces. Find the watch face you like. Tap on it, tap on upload and use. It will start downloading, and after it's done, it won't do it for me because I have a low battery on my watch. But if you charge your battery, it will basically start uploading, and after it's done, the watch face will be applied on your watch. Okay, and that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.